Good afternoon, media. Thank you so much for coming and gracing us with your presence.
So, as the CEO of Best Deal TV, could you please share your thoughts on this special day that we've got going here?
There's not much more I can add to what Meghna's already said with facts and figures. But what I would like to add is Best Deal TV is India's, I could probably say the world's first ever celebrity-driven home shopping channel. Here, most of the products you find will be exclusive to us. The celebrities will be brand endorsing the products. And separately, we are giving celebrities the chance to launch their own products, to launch something that suits their personality. It's a platform where they can use us end to end. So we help them with the sourcing, right from manufacturing, right to distribution across India. We're going to be a 24/7 channel, available all India on cable networks and DTH. And I mean, it's been an interesting journey. The last 6 months has been very, very tiring in putting this all together. And it wouldn't have happened without a very, very good, solid team that I have. You've met Meghna, my COO. Mr. Hemant is here, my CFO. There's a whole bunch of people. Manish, my channel head. A lot of friends came together, and a lot of hard work has happened in the last 6 months to really make this happen today. And yeah, just keep clicking photos, because when the next 3 come, you're not going to see me. So, I mean, what else can I say about Best Deal? It is an industry first. The idea of our products are to give you something that's going to change your life in certain ways. You're not going to find these products on other channels. And our main area of concern is the quality lab. We make sure that every product that's sold on our channel is tested, is quality approved, drop tests, and only when it passes all these tests will you see this product launch on our channel. So unlike the clutter in the market and the industry the way it is at the moment, that lack of faith in home shopping because of the kind of products they're selling you, we assure you that the products you find on our channel will not be false stories. They will be authentic, original, and good quality products. So I think that's about it. Thank you all for turning up, and we're going to introduce my partner soon, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your thoughts. And now let's welcome our partner of Best Deal TV and superstar, Akshay Kumar.
Hello everyone. राज को तो इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी, लेकिन मुझे ज़रूरत होती है, इसलिए मैं लेके आ गया हूँ साथ में. Any questions?
सर, आपका क्या कहना है होम शॉपिंग इंडस्ट्री पर?
वैसे तो ये होम शॉपिंग इंडस्ट्री जो है थोड़ी बदनाम सी है, क्योंकि कई लोग लॉकेट बेच रहे हैं, तो कई लोग पतले होने की दवाइयाँ बेच रहे हैं, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि कुछ आप भी जानते हो, मैं भी जानता हूँ. यहाँ तक कि मैंने भी इसके ऊपर एक छोटा सा मजाक भी उड़ाया था. मेरी एक फिल्म थी, इट्स एंटरटेनमेंट. मैं चाहूँगा कि अगर हमारे यहाँ वो क्लिपिंग दिखा सकते हैं उसके बारे में, तो एक छोटा सा मजाक भी देख लेते हैं. फिर जस्ट स्टार्टेड विद लाइट मोमेंट. हाँ, हर चीज़ को, हर इंसान को अपनी अपनी चीज़ें बेचनी होती हैं, एंड क्यों ना, कोई बुराई नहीं है. बुराई तो है एक्चुअली. वैसे जो हमने शुरू किया है, मतलब ख़ास करके मैं इस चीज़ के अंदर अपना नाम दिया, अपना काम दूंगा, और इसके अंदर मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें करना चाहता हूँ. बेसिकली ऑन द बेसिस, जैसे राज ने भी आपको समझाया होगा, इट्स अ सेलिब्रिटी होम चैनल, जहाँ की बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी मिलेंगी जो कि क्वालिटी लैब टेस्टेड होंगी. उसके अंदर कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ नहीं होगी जिसके अंदर किसी को कंप्लेन होने की ज़रूरत पड़े. उसके लिए भी मैं एक छोटा सा AV आप लोगों को दिखाना चाहता हूँ, आप लोगों से शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. वो ज़रूर देखिए. ये किसी फिल्म से नहीं है, ये बिल्कुल अभी ही किया गया है. कैन वी हैव दैट AV प्लीज? मैंने सुना कि हम अपने मैन्युफैक्चरर्स का दिल तोड़ सकते हैं, लेकिन अपने कस्टमर्स का नहीं. तो यही एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन थी जो मुझे अच्छी लगी थी. एंड हियर आई एम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू फॉर दिस 24/7 होम शॉपिंग channel.
Do you guys like the AV? Can I have a shout out for Akshay Kumar, please, here, and Mr. Raj Kundra? That was rightly said. हम अपने मैन्युफैक्चरर्स का दिल तोड़ सकते हैं, पर अपने कस्टमर्स का नहीं.
और अपनी प्रेस का तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our chairman and brand ambassador, Mrs. Shilpa Shetty Kundra. So Shilpa, in your opinion, why do you think a Bollywood star will sell more products?
Well, firstly, very good evening to all the members of the press. That's a really valid question, actually, but iska jawab bahut simple hai. My tryst with home shopping actually started on another home shopping channel with my SSK line of saris. And when they came with the idea to me, they said, benchmark 1,700 saris ka hai, 1,500 to 1,700 saris आपको बेचना पड़ेगा 1 घंटे के टाइम स्लॉट में. तो मैं थोड़ी सी डर गई. मैंने कहा यार मैं कर पाऊंगी? I don't know if as a designer I'd be able to make those numbers. I took the risk, I did it, and in 22 minutes we sold 7,500 saris. So that kind of answers your question. I just think that people place that faith in you as actors, and if you're giving them quality with it, they will definitely buy it. And I think a more simplified answer would be, why are other brands coming to actors if we didn't, or if we couldn't sell their products? So I feel very, very proud to be associated with Best Deal TV, not just as Raj Kundra's wife, but also as an actor, as a buyer, as an avid home shopper. I love shopping. I think most women do. And I just think we at Best Deal emphasize on quality, and we emphasize on giving back to our customers to the extent of actually rejecting a lot of vendors. So what our customers feel is paramount. And I think this is a great opportunity for me to say that I'm very, very proud of my husband, who's actually managed to do something like this, which is going to be history in the home shopping industry, bringing together celebrities. I'd like to thank Akshay, who had the vision and saw that this is a successful project to be part of, and all the other celebrities that have joined hands with us, our business partners. Thank you so much for coming on board, and a humble request to all the press to please support us on this very, very big venture. It comes from the heart, and there's more heart than anything else in it. Thank you very much.
It's time for the AV, please. Can we have the promo AV, please?
Surf bestest indeed. So at Best Deal TV, lots of celebrities have joined hands to launch their own product line and bring you their very best. We have one such Bollywood diva amongst us who will soon be partnering with us and launching her product range on Best Deal TV. So introducing the spunky lady with a gorgeous smile and her very own style. Put your hands together for Sonakshi Sinha. Sonakshi, let's have a few words on your association with Best Deal TV, please.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm very happy that you all joined us today for this lovely, lovely venture, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. At this point of time in my career, in my life, I'm getting to be a part of a very, very good business opportunity, and I felt it was a wonderful prospect being a part of Best Deal TV, where I get to launch my own brand and have it sold on a very, very reliable network by people who I absolutely trust. And I've worked with Akshay before. I'm working with Shilpa and Raj for the first time, and I'm really, really looking forward to it. So thank you.
I would now like to introduce you all to Mr. Uday Kothari, co-owner of Best Deal TV. Let's hear it.
like to congratulate the whole team of Best Deal TV and give them a best of luck for the future. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच दैट। इस पूरे वेंचर के साथ इंडस्ट्री के बेस्टेस्ट चेहरे जुड़े हुए हैं। थोड़ा और करीब से जानते हैं बेस्ट डील टीवी को। कैन वी हैव द एवी प्लीज?
हाँ, फोटो ले लेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर के बाद।
Straight to the photo op, gentlemen. Promise you that.
Hi guys, this is Bhavna from Z News.
एक मिनट।
फोटो ऑप इसके बाद होगा, प्लीज थोड़ा सब्र दिखा दें। अगर
सर ये जाएंगे नहीं कहीं, आपकी फोटोज जब तक नहीं हो जाती, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के बाद आपको फोटोज का पक्का टाइम मिलेगा।
My darling, as she rightly said, एक बार प्रश्न उत्तर हो जाए, उसके बाद आप फोटो जितना लेना है, मैं खड़ा हूँ। एंड कभी आज तक भागे नहीं कोई भी, तो आप कृपा करके बैठ जाएं और ये फ्लैश ना करें, क्योंकि आज नजर नहीं आ रहा ना, कोई भी नजर नहीं आ रहा। उसके बाद जितना फ्लैश करना, फ्लैश ही करते रहना, जितना आपको फ्लैश करना कर देना।
कैन वी हैव द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज?
Hi, Bhavna this side from Z News. Guys, first celebrity driven shopping channel. आज से पहले हमने celebrities को products के साथ जुड़ते हुए देखा है, but as brand ambassador. पर अभी आप खुद बेचेंगे products. Do you think you're able to connect more with the audience now? What's the reason why this whole thing? Anyone can answer.
Sorry. So brands do come to celebrities. It's obvious they need the eyeballs that the celebrities bring. But I feel that the connect these guys can have now when they're actually saying it from their own mouth for their own product, it's going to be more heartfelt. It's not just, okay, we chose a product, they paid us well, and let's do it. Not saying that you don't believe in the products you guys do. But when it's your own product, there's a lot more heart that goes into it. And I think Sonakshi and Shilpa can add something to that.
जरा आप अपने प्रश्न को वापस दोहराएंगे?
शिल्पा, इससे पहले साड़ियों का भी आपने स्टार्ट किया था। इस वेंचर के थ्रू आप ऑडियंस से ज़्यादा अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे? व्हाट्स द रीजन, यू नो, सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट्स डायरेक्टली टू द ऑडियंस, टू द कस्टमर?
I don't think you've really understood the exact concept. Not every product will be endorsed by a celebrity. Yes, most of the products will be, what do you call it, partnered by celebrities more than just endorsed. जैसे सोनाक्षी ने कहा, जो वो रेंज कर रही है, मैं बता नहीं सकती आपको, मैं अब बता नहीं सकती कि वो क्या कर रही है, लेकिन उसमें वो पार्टनर करेंगी। When you're a partner in a product, तो ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है आप पे कि आप एक चीज़ बेच रहे हैं and you want to deliver the best as an artist. When you're just leveraging your name and you're just endorsing a product, all the onus lies on the manufacturers. Here, till the artist doesn't agree upon the right product or the manufacturer who's selling her or his product, we will not sell that on the channel. So the quality is very, very good. And at the same price point. So that is the USP of Best Deal. तो जो दूसरे चैनल्स पे है, अगर आपको लगता है कि बेस्ट डील पे ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव मिलेगा, नहीं, वो बात नहीं है। द प्राइस पॉइंट इज द सेम, लेकिन जो हमारे चैनल पे है वो आपको किसी और दूसरे चैनल पे नहीं मिलेगा।
ओके, और क्वालिटी को लेके अगर कस्टमर को प्रॉब्लम होगी तो वो डायरेक्ट सेलिब्रिटी को
बिल्कुल, एक हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं आज की माफ़ी, तो आपके सारे कंप्लेंट्स विल गो डायरेक्टली ऑन आज की माफ़ी एंड दे विल बी एड्रेस्ड।
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस।
थैंक यू।
Hi, this is Mihir from CNN IBN. Of course, our Honorable Prime Minister has a vision of Make in India. Do you think this platform is in sync with that vision, or there'll be more international brands and less opportunity to the Indian manufacturer?
100%. Make in India is a big part of our campaign. We're creating so many verticals and so many products that are coming up that our first preference is to make in India. And where it's not possible, I will assemble in India. Like mobile phones, recently the duty has just shot up. And Modi ji's only idea was that you import the parts and you assemble it in India. So we'll create a lot more jobs through Best Deal TV and make sure that products are predominantly, at least 60% of our products will be make in India.
Raj, yeah.
straight. Hi, congratulations on the new venture. But there were reports which stated that you will be selling your stakes in Rajasthan Royals. Is
Best
that
Deal
true?
TV, सिर्फ bestest.
But still
आज
we
की
can throw a
माफी,
little light on
आज की माफी, हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ बेस्ट डील टीवी के बारे में बात करेंगे. So thank you very much. Let's keep it relevant to that, people. Respect.
To be honest, I mean, so we are managing on the shoulder of Mr. Rajkundra. Okay, so he'll be, because I have other things to also do, as like act in films, produce films. So Mr. Raj is going to be heading it, and I'm very happy, and I'm very glad. So that's how we're going to be doing things.
So when you say evolve, yes, we are evolved. We're trying to break the clutter. I didn't want to be another Me Too. There are too many channels that are Me Too's. This is out of the box. Like we've been saying, that what you find on our channel is exclusive to us. It's cash on delivery, pan-India delivery, our distribution, our production. It's all of sort of Bollywood, glitz, glamour quality. And I think you're going to enjoy, when we go live on the 18th, you're going to enjoy the show.
I don't need to elucidate any further. I think everyone spoke it. I think it's important to evolve in life on every level. And I'm really happy that this channel is going to be appreciated by the customers. And I really think that even our audiences have evolved with time. And they don't want to see what's being served on a day-to-day basis. They want to see something different, whether it be on the platform of TV or the big theater. I mean, the big TV screen. I'm losing it. There's too much to remember. But yes, so I'm really happy that on that front we're going to gratify our audiences, and I really hope at the end of the day we come out as winners. Yeah.
Ma'am, we can meet after this whole thing, that we can talk about that, because at the moment we're just going to speak about Best Deal TV, and after that you and I can have a word about it.
हाय अक्षय, अक्षय आपने होम शॉपिंग इससे पहले कभी की है और आपके दिमाग में आइडिया कैसे आया इसे लॉन्च करने का?
मैडम, ऐसा है कि मैंने कभी होम शॉपिंग की नहीं, क्योंकि मेरी ज़िंदगी एयरपोर्टों में गुजर जाती है, तो ड्यूटी फ्री शॉपों में निकल जाती है। तो मैंने सच बताएं तो मैंने जितनी भी शॉपिंग की है वहीं की है। और दूसरी बात है कि हाँ, कभी कभी मेकअप करते वक्त मैं टीवी के सामने बैठता हूँ अपनी वैन में, तो जानबूझ के ऐसे ये चैनल्स खोल लेता हूँ जहाँ कोई कह रहा है कि कोई लॉकेट बेच रहा है, कोई अजीब अजीब चीज़ें बेच रहा है, तेल बेच रहा है, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें बिकती हैं। और तो मैं देख रहा था, तो एक आया कि आप अपनी ज़िंदगी चेंज कर सकते हैं गुरुजी से बात करके। आप विश्वास करें, मैंने फ़ोन किया, ये मैंने बताऊंगा, सच्ची बताऊंगा, मैंने फ़ोन किया और मैंने अपना नाम नहीं बताया, और मैंने बोला मुझे, अब आवाज़ थोड़ी बहुत बदली, मुझे गुरुजी से बात करनी। हाँ भाई, आपकी अपनी प्रॉब्लम बताइए। जी प्रॉब्लम है कि जी मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा। जी कोई बात नहीं, कितने गुरुजी से बात करने के लिए 11,500 रुपये लगे। जी काम नहीं मिल रहा, पैसे नहीं है, इसलिए तो माँ बात करनी है। जी तो फिर 11,500 तो चाहिए, फिर पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास करीबन 2,500-3 हज़ार रुपये हैं। रुको, अभी शायद गुरुजी आ जाएंगे, 2,500 में मान जाएंगे। आप विश्वास करिए, वो 2,500-3 हज़ार में मान गए, और गुरुजी आने को तैयार थे। तो उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा बहुत हिचक गया और मैंने फ़ोन रख दिया। मैं बोला अपना पता नहीं गुरुजी ने कहीं कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें बता दी जो मैं डर वर जाऊँ, तो मैंने उससे पहले फ़ोन रख दिया। तो खैर बस इतनी मैंने, अगर आप ये टेली शॉपिंग, होम शॉपिंग, ये सब चीज़ों की बात करें, इतना ही मैंने कुछ किया। आइडिया मुझे एक तो ये जो इंडस्ट्री है ये बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है। पूरी दुनिया का अगर ये इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर देखा जाए तो $4 बिलियन की इंडस्ट्री। सो इट इज़ अ ह्यूज इंडस्ट्री। तो मैंने बोला कि मुझे अच्छा लगता है कुछ हर चीज़ नई शुरू करने में, मुझे अच्छा लगता है रिस्क लेने में। एंड आई फेल्ट दैट दिस वाज समथिंग विच आई कुड गो एंड मेरा मन लगेगा इसमें। एंड आई डोंट हैव टू गिव मच ऑफ अ टाइम टू इट। एंड प्लस आई वुड बिलीव इन इट एंड द थिंग्स which I am going to personally endorse it. I can tell my fans, my audience, my people who are going to buy it, that go buy it because I swear by that. That's all.
Good evening, sir. My question is to Raj sir over here. Is this the one-stop channel for Bollywood brand endorsement?
You know, the other brands are going to hate me if I say yes, but it's the one-stop shop for any celebrity that wants to launch a product on this platform. When a big brand comes to you, an MNC comes to you, they launch shampoos or whatever, and they make you the brand ambassador, but they don't say, can we launch one on your name? Here I've given a podium to celebrities to launch something they really want to, they believe in. So we product celebrity match. If I feel that the celebrity and the product works together, it works with their personality, then we get into end-to-end solutions from manufacturing direct to sales and marketing.
And my second question is to Akshay sir, over here. First of all, congratulations for the success of Baby.
Shukriya.
And now we are working with Neeraj Pandey for another film. So are you looking to create a hat trick of blockbusters with the director?
I don't think I'm there in the next movie. नीरज पांडे साहब की अगली फिल्म में मैं नहीं हूँ। हाँ, बेबी 2 वो तो अभी टाइम है ना, वो तो अभी ये इनकी जो तीसरी फिल्म है वो खत्म होगी, उसके बाद well, कौन नहीं चाहेगा? Just like every bowler, I would also like to create a hat trick. Thank you.
Hi Shilpa, Abhishek here from Zoom. Straight. Congratulations on the new venture. Since you are the brand ambassador of the Best Deal TV, अब ये फर्स्ट टाइम कंसेप्ट इंडिया में हम देख सकते हैं कि एक ब्रांड एंडोर्स करेंगे, तो क्या रिस्क देख सकती हैं फोर्सी आप करती हैं जो आप देख सकती हैं मार्केट में होगा? और द ब्लॉग्स, रोड ब्लॉग्स, being the brand ambassador, what all risk factor do you see in the market for your channel?
What? I think we should let the channel go on air first and then figure out, if it's going well for us or not. But right now we're going in with all our good hopes and wishes and prayers, and hopefully this will be a very, very good venture for all of us involved.
This is in connection with the same question. Actually,
सोनाक्षी
जी, मैं वो अभी आपको बता नहीं सकती, बट इतना बता सकती हूँ कि ये एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो मैंने आज तक इंडोर्स नहीं किया है, एंड बहुत ही मज़ेदार, फन, कलरफुल प्रोडक्ट होगा, एंड आई एम यंग, फ्रेश, वाइब्रेंट, एनर्जेटिक, एंड I'm really looking forward to it. I'm very, very excited.
This question
basically ये कहना चाहती हैं आपके मतलब की चीज़ है। आप फिक्र नहीं करें।
This question is for Mr. Kundra. A lot of heart and hope goes into making a new venture, which happened in the past also with you when it comes to either whether it is IPL or Super Fight League. How do you think you're more prepared for success and failure both this time when you're starting a new venture again?
Honestly, I think failure leads to success if you don't give up. So hits and flops are part of all our lives, and this is a venture that's very, very close to my heart. I started my life trading in Pashmina shawls, so I made my first bucks then. So I have an eye for products. I've personally sourced a lot of the products around the world that I feel will work with the Indian sentiments. So I'm gung-ho about this. I'm putting my heart and soul into this, and honestly, failure is not an option.
My question is for Raj sir. Yeah. So, what are the premium prices that you'll be having? Any brand or anything that you have thought that will be premium?
So, it's a good question, but we're not into doing anything premium. You're associate, the minute you say, oh, stars are involved and you're creating brands, it's going to be very expensive. No. You're going to find things that are quality and value. We're not going to discount anything because it's already going to be discounted. We're passing on the savings that we get from the manufacturers direct to the customers.
Thank you and all the best.
जी मेरे पति परेशान हो गए, उन्होंने डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया मेरे होम शॉपिंग चैनल्स को मेरे लंदन वाले घर में, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो प्रोडक्ट्स देखने को मिलते हैं, you know, you're spoiled for choice. You don't know what to buy and what not to buy. And that's the kind of standard we want to have on this channel. And मैं जब भी क्वालिटी पे एम्फसाइज करती हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि क्वालिटी के साथ साथ प्राइस भी ऊपर जाएगा. उसी क्वालिटी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए we have also kept in mind that the customer that we are catering to are the simple middle class, lower middle class home shoppers. और उनको बाइंग के साथ साथ हम लोग एजुकेशन भी देंगे. There are so many things that I have learned over my trips, my travels, about certain products. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो एक माँ खरीदना चाहती है अपने फैमिली के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए, in terms of maybe a box that saves the children's food when they're taking the food to school so that it remains hot. Things like that which are not available in India. And silicone knives, for example, it's the single most healthy option when it comes to cutting food. You're not breaking down, if you cut an apple, it turns brown. With a silicone knife, it won't turn brown. So certain things like that. So they're very innovative products. And yes, हमने एक खास ध्यान इस चीज़ पे दिया है कि we want to do something that's a cut above from the rest.
Last two questions, please.
Excuse me, Raj.
Hello, I'm from Z Business. I just want to ask the question.
1 second.
Hello.
Excuse me.
The answer to the yellow shirt, sir, 100 crore लग रहा है साल का. Thank you. Next.
And sir, what's the shareholding?
Shareholding बाद में करेंगे ना. 100 crore साल का खर्चा ये चैनल चलाने में.
Private equity partner you have roped in?
We'll let you know.
देखिए जो भी चैनल मुझे सबसे बेस्ट डील देगा उसी चैनल पे मैं कुछ करूंगी. तो अभी
Last question, please. Last question.
Hello.
Sorry.
To answer your question.
Last question, please.
One minute. Just to answer all these. I don't want to take away from this. So जो भी अफवाहें शुरू हुई है, I am doing something on another channel, so that rests your question.
Hi Akshay, RJ Alok here from AFM.
दूर से बात करें.
सर ये बहुत लाउड है. सर मेरा सवाल है कि बाकी चैनल्स पे भी प्रोडक्ट्स आते हैं, लेकिन वही प्रोडक्ट आप देने वाले हैं या कोई डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट होगा, और क्या इसमें खासियत होगी आपके बेस्ट डील में?
जनाब इसका जवाब वैसे सुराज कुंदा दे चुके हैं कि ऐसा कुछ भी चीज़ नहीं होगी जो आपको अलग दूसरे चैनल पे मिलेगी. ये बिल्कुल एक्सक्लूसिव होगी सारी चीज़ें, तो आपको उस चीज़ के अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी.
My question from the Z Business.
तो एक काम करते हैं, चलो मैं आपको एक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ, लेके भी आया था. अगर आप बहुत पूछते रहते हैं, आइए आप भी आइए. आपने पूछ ही लिया तो आइए. Sorry. Very good. Very good. तो ये हेडफोन है और वो चल रहा है. देखिए चला. So basically अगर मुझे सुनना हो, मैं अगर इसको पूछूं क्या सुन रहा है, तो ये जस्ट ये प्रेस करेगा and actually it becomes a speaker also. Basically just so headphone plus a speaker. कभी कभी होता है आदमी हेडफोन पे सुन रहा है, कोई आके बाजू वाला पूछता है सुन क्या रहे हो भैया, ये ले बेटा तू भी सुन ले. हाँ लो भाई बाहर भी आ रही थी, ये अभी इसको पता चला. चलिए आप I had told Raj and all you guys, this is the first innovation we came up with, and we just want to present you with this. And जब आप जाएंगे, please take your gifts and go.
और आपसे फोटो ऑप का वादा किया था, फोटो ऑप अब आप ले सकते हैं, प्लीज जितना फ्लैश चाहें. Our bestest चेहरे are in front of you for Best Deal TV. Thank you, Shilpa, for the bestest smile here. And ladies and gentlemen, that does bring us to the end of this wonderful presentation. I do hope you enjoyed.